Far from the beaten path, where the air turns crisp and the hills rise like waves, Nam Koa Commune invites you into an untouched world where every view feels like a secret meant only for those who seek. From secret mountain trails to golden fields like these, subscribe to Easy Tour Vietnam and follow beauty wherever it leads. About 40 kilometers south of Hoang Su Phi's town center, Nam Koa is home to 9 scattered hamlets. If you're lucky enough to visit during the ripened rice season, you'll be greeted by a visual masterpiece. The terraced fields curve gracefully along the mountainsides, embracing the hills in mesmerizing shapes and patterns. Amid these flowing layers of gold, you'll spot small wooden huts built by locals to rest during harvest. It's a sight so beautiful it steals your breath away. Here, generations of ethnic communities, Dao, Nung, Lachi, Hmong, and others, have sculpted the mountains into over 300 hectares of terraced fields. Each step carved into the hillside tells a story of harmony between humanity and nature. The tranquility here offers a retreat from the bustle of modern life. Nam Koa is more than a destination. It's an experience that lingers in memory. Would you be ready to explore? Book your journey with Easy Tour Vietnam today.